Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to simplify the square root of negative 128. By definition, square root of negative b equals I square root of positive b. And so the square root of negative 128 would be I square root of positive 128. I sent out a video earlier about simplifying square roots. You want to break 128 up into a perfect square and what other factors necessary to give you 128. So perfect square factor 128 64 times 2. Break that into square root of 64 times square root of 2. Square root of 64 is 8. We still have an I. We have square root of 2. You ask about applications of square roots. You asked about you mentioned applications. If you looked at electrical engineering, or you go to study an AC circuit, then you'll find, you do very much work. You'll be working in the complex numbers, or you'll be working in I. So you could Google like imaginary numbers and electricity, and you'll find all kind of applications. Hope this helps.